Hi, good day. In this video, we're going to share with you our automations feature. After you've logged into your Freshern account, kindly click on Marketing and then Automations. Here to the top right-hand side, you'll find the Automations button. Here, the automation rules are based or composed of triggers and actions. For example, after one of your members has enrolled to a specific product, here you're able to set that they'll subscribe to an email sequence or add a tag. Another example is when they've had a tag added, they can be unsubscribed to an email sequence or subscribe to an email sequence. After you've set the conditions, you click on Save. If you have any additional questions or concerns, kindly reach out. It'd be our pleasure. Thank you and have a great one.